First Amendment.
The National Weather Service in Hanford, California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Kern County in Central California until 8:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 7:52 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located about 9 miles north of California City, moving to the southwest at around 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include California City. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Body has less free testosterone. I got new Gen X Total T, and it's made a huge difference.